Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today, we're talking to all you business owners, particularly like apartment building owners, shopping center owners. And what we're talking about in this video today is going to be commercial flood insurance and flood zone AE, and really what your options are here. So stay tuned in this video to learn how you can benefit from minimizing your flood insurance premiums in these high-risk flood zones. Remember, subscribe to our channel when you get a chance to learn more about how you can minimize your flood insurance premiums, minimize your risk, and maximize your profitability as a business owner. So let's talk about this today. Flood zone AE, what is it? Flood zone AE is part of that annual 1% chance of flooding. That's really your highest flood zone outside the coastal area. AE is going to be something that has a base flood elevation that's had a flood insurance study report done. As I mentioned, this generally is where your highest flood insurance premiums can be outside the coast. So what are your flood insurance options in flood zone AE if you own a business? Well, you've got the National Flood Insurance Program and you've got private flood. Now, it could be that you have a Fannie Mae loan or Freddie Mac loan. These things could control what your options are. We've seen it where these things do require you to go through the National Flood Insurance Program. We just got done disputing with a bank and helping a property owner get private flood insurance when the bank was telling them it was not available or that they wouldn't accept it. So we showed them some documentation where it could be. This was a savings of $15,000 a year for this client on his commercial properties. So it's really important that you pay attention to that if a bank's requiring you to go through the National Flood Insurance Program, because it could kill your profitability. So it's really important to understand. So as we mentioned, you've got the National Flood Insurance Program and you've got private flood insurance. Now, what's really important to understand as a business owner on private flood insurance is the availability of loss of income. And this means that if your property floods, then you can have some of those expenses that are covered by flood insurance, like loss of rent and things like that. A lot of things that have happened during the coronavirus pandemic. So it's really important to understand that as a business owner. But today we wanted to talk about the National Flood Insurance Program and private flood insurance and what your options are in flood zone AE as a business owner. So if you've got questions about really what your options are, how to minimize your premium and maximize your profitability on these properties, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Maybe you're in the wrong flood zone. We see this with business owners every day as well. Click below, challengeyourfloodzone.com. We help business owners with this every day as well. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums on your commercial building in flood zone AE. Thank you.